I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trendlyne Market app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, either create a new account or log in if you're already a user. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of market movements and essential data points to get you started. Now, let's explore some key features. The search bar at the top allows you to quickly find any stock or index you're interested in. Once you select a stock, you can dive deep into its detailed analysis, including financial statements and important ratios. Don't forget to create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on your favorite investments. For more in-depth analysis, the app offers powerful screeners to help you filter stocks based on specific criteria, like market capitalization or dividend yield. You can also review analyst ratings and consensus estimates to gauge market sentiment. Stay informed by checking the news and events section, which provides timely updates relevant to your holdings and the broader market. Finally, personalize your experience. You can customize your dashboard to show the widgets most important to you, ensuring quick access to vital information. Set up price alerts for specific stocks so you never miss a crucial market move. Regularly review your portfolio performance and holdings to stay on top of your investment strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.